Wow. Touch it. Can I poke him?
No! These poor little creatures.
What's going on? Come check it out.
Debbie, I don't remember seeing a permit app for a gathering. Groups of more than one who wish to get... Ow!
Timmy, get the shovel from the car.
Lights fading, limbs growing cold. I see a tunnel.
Oh, no.
Mother, is that you? Beckoning me into the light? Must move toward the light.
What do you think he's doing? Maybe we knocked his brains loose or something.
I'm telling you, you went too far this time. Let's just get out of here and leave this.
Nice catch, Verne.
You're dangerous. You're insane.
I'm going home. Goodbye, cruel world. Oh, Rosebud.
Now can I poke him?
No! You see, this is exactly why I called the exterminator. To kill them before they get hurt like this.
Everybody get out of here right now.
Right. Kid, grab those handles.
One.
Let's go.
I believe someone phoned about an animal problem. The solution is standing before you. Dwayne, LaFuntant is here.
Where have you been? I'm throwing a welcome to the neighborhood party tomorrow, and so far Debbie's car has killed more animals than you have.
Stand down, sister. I personally guarantee that there will not be a living thing at this party. The Verminator is on the job.
Leave it. Leave it.
What do we have here? Didelphus marsupialis virginianus. Approximately 10 pounds. Male.
I think he's dead.
Oh, really? Do you, in fact, have an associate's degree from Vermtech? I think he wants you to think he's dead. He's really in.
Move, that's it, hurry, run. Let's go.
Look at him closely. You can see him breathing.
I certainly hope he's not in any pain. Kill it! Kill it!
Thank you all for coming. You were a great audience.
All right. What am I up against here? Possum, porcupine, skunk, squirrel, raccoon, amphibian.
Reptile.
No. Reptile.